What's going on? I'm Joe, and Bill's over here off camera right now, and I know it's been a minute, guys. Haven't done a shop update, haven't brought you along for anything fun or exciting. I would like to say that's going to change, but right now we're so busy, we're just slammed, guys, and I want to bring you through some of the work that's going on in this shop. Yeah, maybe you get the bright idea, you want to bring your car here and see what we're about. So right now we got this square body Chevrolet, absolutely stunning truck over here. It's getting new pulley system put on it, CVF pulley system. It broke the original metal bracket, so customer wants what the customer wants, and we're happy to give it to them. There's the underside of that. It's a small block Chevy. Who makes that? Who's that motor builder? It's the same. It's the same engine factory. Yeah, the same one that's in the Firebird. So great running truck. Yeah, engine factory. It's we got a couple cars with that in it, so it's fun and exciting stuff. But absolutely gorgeous truck. This is one of Kevin's projects. I got a project over there I'm not happy with, but it is what it is. Forward and onward type thing. We're going nautical, guys. We have a jet boat. It's got a 460 Ford big block in it. Bill will be going through and doing all the wiring on this thing. It's a loud boat. This thing's cool as hell. Great customers. We're happy with them. They want us to do the work. We're more than happy to take care of it for them. Now, I really wish I could have showed you all the Bronco that we had and the 68 green Mustang that's Coyote swapped. I mean,
That'll be back.
I can't wait. That is a beautiful car. Absolutely stunning car. But, however, we have this. This is a 1969 or 70. Okay, 70. It says Boss 302. It's got a 351 Cleveland. Okay. So this is Bill's project. Bill's been just kicking ass on this car. I mean, amongst everything else he does at the shop. I mean, guys, we're gonna sneak you in here. A little bit of a peek. Interiors are all out. Who's this wiring kit through, Bill?
American Auto Wire.
Okay, American Auto Wire, and that's your preferred brand. Absolutely, I see.
Vintage Air.
Yeah, and Vintage Air, and the
Poly Sniper.
yep, and a sniper kit on this car. Guy just got this not too long ago, and he just wants the works done to it. So that's going to be a fun job for Bill. Good paying job for Bill.
About half done.
Yeah, so I mean, he's been rocking and rolling on that. Now, this right here is right up my alley. Little hillbilly hot rod. I love this thing. We found this car for a customer. The swap that he wanted wasn't quite correct for what he had, so we decided to correct that. We found him this car. We're going through it, making it right for him. Right now we're gonna need a new hood for this thing.
Yeah, he's gonna buy one.
Yeah, okay, he's going with a steel or fiberglass. Okay, new fiberglass cowl hood, just because the carb sits up a little bit too high with the air cleaner, so I got the rags on there just to protect it so it doesn't mark it. You don't want to damage the chrome.
450 horse,
Yeah.
383.
Yeah, this is a 383, 450 horsepower motor.
Engine factory.
Yeah, engine factory once again. This thing is just, I'm happy. I was a pain, but hearing it run just made it worth every bit of it. So I'm happy with this. Got a bunch of little stuff to do to it to get it drivable. You know, waiting on parts.
Exhaust.
Yeah, exhaust and
Monday
a.
or Tuesday.
Oh, is it? Okay, cool. Perfect. So exhaust is going on it. I hate driving cars.
Now it's wide open headers.
Yeah, I hate driving a car with wide open headers. I'm getting old, guys. But, I'm just not a fan, but I'm excited. The customer's excited. He stopped by today to hear it, and I think he's as happy gets. So that's that. 57 Bel Air. Engine swap and transmission. Right now we got it all covered up. Yeah, I got it covered up. But yeah, so nice car. It's been here for a little bit. We've done a fair amount of work to it. Bill and Kevin's project, and Kevin's got a really fun project, which I'm jealous of, because it is such an absolutely delightful looking car. And that sun is just blinding. 70 or 69? 69 Gran Torino. Alright. That is just gorgeous. He's getting a new motor put in this. It's 428. Yep, Cobra Jet. We just got back from the builder, all that stuff. Yep. Went through Jasper on that. So, I mean, this car is just, it's a treat. You don't see these things ever. I've rarely seen them, and this is just perfect condition. So, I'm excited about that. I just want to go for a nice cruise in it. This thing is finally leaving. It's a 66 Mustang. Oh, 65. Okay.
331.
With a 331. That's another engine factory motor. Does have a proper transmission, 4-speed manual, but beautiful car. Making our way over here. I know we've just been running. Got a couple of vehicles out on the fence line. Black OBS Chevy just got another fuel pump in it. Installed one. It lasted a day and died. So installed a second one. It's running and happy. Customer's going to pick it up tomorrow. Another OBS Ford out there. And he's wanting to get door hinges done, so we're going to take care of that for him. A couple other projects that are just sitting, nothing too crazy. 1973 Mustang Mach 1. The story behind this car is just amazing. The guy got it from his brother who bought this car brand new. And he passed away and all that stuff, so that was what he wanted. He wanted his brother's car. So, and we're happy to get it running and driving for him. So, I mean, that's going to be a huge thing. I mean, these nice cars are great, but the cars with the stories behind them, to me, that's a little bit cooler. I can't wait to see this guy's face when he's able to drive it off the property. So, that's another project. That's a project. This thing right here, I like this. This is my next project coming up probably tomorrow. Guy wants ride height adjusted, wants front brought down, rear brought up a little bit to level it out. I'm going to take care of that. It's got some issues with the charging system, power steering line, and a few other small things. So we're going to get that taken care of. It's got a 383 in it too. This thing gets down. Customer told me, when you drive it, don't be afraid of it. Just get up on it on a nice, flat, straight road. So, you know, it's
27s.
It's got 24-inch 4Giottos sitting on.
24s?
Yeah, I believe that's what they are. I think they're 24s because he said he should have went 22 on the front. Wheelwood disc brakes. It's got coilover suspension. I mean, this is a nice car. I think the 22s up front would definitely help it out, but I'm excited to get this in the bay and start doing something to it. And I think we got a couple more cars in the shop. We've actually had a few leave. It's kind of nice. But yeah, it's been busy here.
Just a little.
Yeah, just, you know. Yeah, this Torino though, that's just gorgeous. Another motor job, 1964 Impala. Guy came here, we got it running, and had some engine troubles later on down the road. And we swapped from a 283 to a 350. We took away the 2-speed power glide, and it's got a 700 R4 in it now. So customer's very excited to get his baby back. And hopefully attend some car shows. I know Bill's going to bring his 50 out, and we're going to try to have a big car show coming up, or meet up. 1952 Pontiac. We're waiting on springs on this. This thing's cool. Straight 80, guys. Yes. Look at that. That's just beautiful. That's classic cool. So, I mean, this thing is just, it's minty. I don't know. I'd love to have it if it's mine.
Here's the 14 days.
Yep. And we just got parts everywhere. I'm gonna spend the day cleaning. Yeah, this is going in the Torino. It's been in my work area lately, so I've had the pleasure of having coffee next to it. But yeah, so this is gonna be fun, especially.
Hand built at Jasper.
Yes. So, up top, I got a Tremec 5-speed, a TKX, going in a 1968 Chevelle. It's a convertible big block car. Awesome customer. I'm going to try to do a video on that, from the automatic to manual conversion. Customer just wants to go do burnouts and have fun with his car. So, I mean, who can't stand behind that? So, awesome guy, beautiful car. So, we're looking forward to getting that done for him and see what happens. And after this, guys, before we take off, I'm going to put another video up on my channel and we're going to see what the night brings. So, guys, have a good one. We'll catch you around later.
Enjoy.
Later.